Jano Star people, let me tell you, just watch a match. Man, that was definitely a very, very entertaining game of football. Yeah? End-to-end stuff. Unfortunately, I couldn't be at the stadium, but may I tell you, I watch it on my phone, and disappointed that I wasn't at the stadium. I tell you. But as you know, the Reggae Boyz are playing, so I had to do my coverage of the Reggae Boy game. But may I tell you, man, Jesus, peace. I'm sorry to never in the stadium. I watch it on my phone, and the amount of jump, the amount of noise me make, it was really, really an entertaining game. Best game in years, actually. No, I'm not going to say best game in years, but best game for the entire season. Best game. The crowd was lit. The ball them come and work. The ball them come and work, people. The ball them come and work. Madness. Congratulations, Harbour View. Congratulations, Dunbeholden. See you guys on Sunday. See you guys on Sunday. Big up. Huge big up. Huge big up, people. May I tell you, man. The man them deserve it. I tell you the truth, the man them deserve it. All our team don't make it, them really deserve it. Football night, only match you watch. Only match it. Oh, come on, man. You really only match. The man them, that was a well deserved. I mean, competitiveness was there. Clinicalness was there. Intelligence, football and intelligence. The sheer hunger, the sheer fight, the sheer will to win was there. All the things that we need to have a tremendous night of football was there. It was all in there. The need to win. And you can't say anything else. You can't say anything else. Since the semi-final, from the semi-finals coming right down, these games have been classical games. From the semi-finals come right down. These games have been proper classic football. So, I'm going to shoot out now that, I think that's the third shootout. It's supposed to be the third shootout or the fourth one. But may I tell you, proper football. Teams then play high intensity, hunger, desire, the need to win. Pick a win for the final. Pick a win for the final. No, sir, that's hard to pick, bro. The two teams in the final. Alright, let me tell you. It's unfair. You see football, you see the JPS setup funny. Because a team can do really well right through the season. Finish like Waterhouse, finish top of the table. Then now you have to go now and play off. You still don't win the league yet. Despite finishing the top of the table, you still don't win the league. So that is how JPL is. It's just funny. If it was a league format, undoubtedly Waterhouse gone with it because them top the league. But it's not a league format, still have the playoffs. Waterhouse out. Unfortunately, Fuzz was not there. Tough luck. Fuzz was actually with the under 17 and they're out as well, unfortunately as well. Yeah, so tough luck. Football, I guess that's just how football is. Well tried, Cavaliers. Well tried. You bring it down to the nitty gritty. You brought the excitement. You brought the goals. What a goal by Richard King. Richard King, what a goal. Left foot at that. Left foot at that. Left foot at that. Jano. Left foot at that, man. May I tell you. It was a, may I tell you, man. The game is sick, man. The game is really sick. Classic football game. If you're there, you gotta enjoy that. I saw me have water shake. Can't drink water in peace with the partner shake your water buckle. And you see that, imagine. Me nervous. I don't know my team them. But I love good football. It doesn't matter who I play. I want to see good, proper football. I can't say I never see proper football tonight. Bygrave, left foot, right foot. All thing left in completely hatchet with the header. All thing if you just completely hatchet with the header. But nonetheless, tremendous performance. Energy. Mario. Man can't tired. Mario can't tired. Man can't tell. And the only man look as when the game done, it look like he can run same way. Alright, let me show you something funny. There's so much people like in the 116 minutes. Man, they look boss, tired. But yet still when they win a game, they have the victory lap. They have the victory lap. Where did that energy come from? Victory energy, you know? Victory energy. Tremendous performance, tremendous night of football. Tremendous night of football. Unfortunate Waterhouse, you put in the work, but why? Me don't know ya, man. In regards to Amara, man, Demar Phillips. Unfortunately, I just say go. You put in a shift the entire season. The entire season you put in a good shift. Just come lose also. Rough. really, really rough. But nonetheless, well tried Waterhouse. Well done, Trayvon Reed and Fodo. Well done. Kumi, wicked goal. Kumi score. Oh God, man. Hold on there. When you notice the amount of goals that scored like that this season, especially specifically in the final part, yeah? Notice the goal they must score. Be a top bins. Strictly top bins the man them pre. The goals they must score are strictly top bins. I mean, every man they not scoring the top bins goal, they not kick. That's the man them have. If the man scoring the top bins goal, the man they not kick. So, as once again, congrats, Harbour View. Honestly, I for one, I watch a whole season. I never know say that pull it off. Never believe say that pull it off. So, I'm one of the person what Harbour View prove wrong. I'm one of the person Harbour View prove wrong because Harbour View faced two top teams. Two of the best pressing teams in the league in Waterhouse and Arnett. And then went over there and put in a proper showing. And went over there put in a proper showing. And you have to say congrats, you have to big them up for that. Trayvon Reed, bro. You're not normal. Brother, you're not normal at all. I don't know. A special gift, bro. May I tell you the truth? Special gift. Let's go and work hard, me can tell you. National call-up will be there soon. National call-up will be there soon. Let's go and put in the work, bro. Top work. This season proved to many people that Trayvon Reed is a talent that you can't look past. This season highlight many of the players them. This particular season. Cephas, many of the young players them. Bradford at Waterhouse. This season, Denard Thomas, this season highlight many of the talents them. And the little work that people doing right now, where we doing little vlogging and stuff, and I do think that, I tell you, man, it push the players them. It push the players them. The top goal scorer every week, the man them see the top goal scorer sheet come out, man them want to make it. It really push people as they give them an extra drive. But then they feel them want to put in an extra performance. Every man want to be in a team every week. So them things that really is a big push. As me say, big up. And once the man them keep on putting the work, me can tell them. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. Look on it. Look on Cephas, for example. Look on Cephas. Cephas never get a look in for the national team. But look who's Cephas right now. You see me? So you never have to pre the national team to say, boy, you'll get the bus way. No. The bus did it. Just put in the work in a league because people are watch it. People are watch it, you see me? And I say things said. So all them man them go and put in the work. Tremendous finals Sunday. Want to see the place ram. Want to see the place ram. The stands with pack. The stands with pack. And I tell you, man, this season as a product, the JPL really deliver. I know that boy Dunbeholden supposed to feel that way because a big 3 o'clock match they get. And so when Dunbeholden get evening match, them come and work. Them come and work when they get evening match. I do believe that Dunbeholden players, they really miss the coach, Thomas. They miss him. And with Thomas in the dugout, I think that if Thomas was not there, maybe they wouldn't win. I believe that if Thomas was not there, Earl Thomas was not there, they wouldn't win. Because when they saw the coach in the dugout, it gave them that extra energy, that extra push, that extra desire. Because from day one, from start of the season, they work hard together to achieve this right now. Fresh God said, I hope more of the JPA players leave Jamaica this summer. Possible, man. Nico said, speaks volumes to the talent we have here. Very much so. Fresh God. The players are going to ramp for finals. But I have to go left early, you know. I have to go left early so I can get a proper seat. I have to go left early, Fresh God. I have to go left early. See some more comments I drop. All who said they not enjoy, anybody who said them watch the game that while ago and they never enjoy it, them really I lie them I tell. And Football United, big up. Anybody who watch a game that while ago and said them did not enjoy, not even from the semi-finals until now. Anyone who said them watch the game there and never enjoy them, I lie them I tell. Lie them I tell. Lie them I tell. But me I tell you, proper football I drop you now. Man them serious, man them I take them things serious. Man them I put in the extra work. You don't know, so go on do work. Can ease off a party thing, you know? Me not say enough to go party. Ease off a party thing. Ease off a party thing. Ease off a drinking. Ease off a smoke. You don't have to smoke so often, you know? Keep the fitness level, did it? Fire Juiceland said the semi-finals brought out some of the top 10 goal contenders. True. Gunnar Fabian, big up Fabian. 7 goal of the season contender in 1 match. A trainer. King goal, busy goal, Bygrave goal with the left foot, weaker foot too. The build-up play, the build-up play was something that scored. Who scored? Where Webster scored. The build-up play. Brother, people, as much as I will see the scream of them, look on the build-up play where the Cavaliers team score. The goal, I think I goal the Webster score. Look on the build-up play. Proper knock tiki-taka type football. Proper tiki-taka type football. And as much as I love the screamers them and the crackers them, Bygrave goal bad, busy goal bad. But you see the build-up play there, I'm going to give you night. I would give that build-up play, that build-up play goal, I would give it to them. Because the amount of passes of Cavaliers make, leading to the final third, John Star. Tremendous, man. I will clap them, man. Wicked piece of goal, I swear. That was a proper goal. So even though I know everybody love the screamers when ball are caught from 40 and 50 yards out, and they look bossy, don't know. But you see the Cavaliers build up play goal. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm an Arsenal fan. And me I come from the Arsenal Wenger days where you have to make 1,700 passes. Because you have to make 1,700 passes before you score. The Pep Guardiola type, you have to make 40 passes before you score. That, me like them thing there. Them thing that tell me say, training a go on. Them thing that tell me say, the ball them a learn, the ball them a improve technically. The ball them a improve tactically. Them things that highlight. When you showcase them kind of goal, you know, I think people gravitate towards them goal a lot more. Top goal and something, man. No, man. Well done, Cavaliers. But on an individual aspect, then goal at top. And if you forget somebody the goal last season, alright, so Bygrave and find left foot, the one they bad, but Bygrave is a 2-footed baller, so I'm gonna say that's something you expect. With Richard King now, as a centre back, as a right footer, boy, that's out of blues, brother. That's out of blues. With Busy now, right footer, cut in, go over it top. Yeah, so you expect something like that. So if you go individual goal now, it's a Kumi goal, top class goal. The goal that are wicked. I don't know, probably not go towards Kumi. Gunnar Fabian said, so how we now see that in the under 20 team? Why it's tough, you know? Alright. It's tough, you know. It's tough, man. Why? It's tough. It's tough. It's really tough. Me don't know. But all I man them will put in the work, me I tell them, man. Waterhouse, you're unfortunate, man. You're unfortunate. Benbo, me know you want to go finals. But big up. One player, me tell you some of my players, so you have some individual players who are look out for now, no. Going into the final stages of this competition now, no. What about Harbour versus Dunbeholden. When you look on them games, you know, you look on a team who have similar. Alright, Harbour is not a tiki-taka type of football. It's not a possession-based type of team. Dunbeholden is a possession-based team. That is the reason why the game's so exciting, because of the both teams play kind of similar, Cavalier and Dunbeholden. It boils down to the final aspect of the game, where players just have a little bit of regards to technical skill. Them look find a little details there, and then now a man can hit a screamer from way out. I'm gonna say man easy, no man. Fire Juiceland said Nicholas Nelson definitely going to get the goal of the season. Which goal that? Which goal that? Remind me in goal. Remind me which goal in score. Harbour score a wicked goal too, you know. Harbour score a wicked goal. Out about from about 25 yards out. Some bad goal score, man. Trayvon Reed is one, Kumi is another. Phil and Lawrence is one. Alright. You see Phil and Lawrence now. Phil and Lawrence is the man we turn up with nothing really go on. What we realize is that like everybody I watched Trayvon Reed. So Trayvon Reed, if he game and get like fast somebody kick him. He doesn't get kicked all over the place. He doesn't get kicked all over the place. But regards to people are silent in the game, and you know, like a silent killer, I would say Phil and Lawrence is type of a silent killer. I would say Phil and Lawrence is type of a silent killer. If you take your eye off him, he hurt you. If you take your eye off him, he hurt you. Hurt you. But you can't take your eye off of Trayvon Reed. No, sir. The things they remember do is samba business and, you know, them look shit business. You can't take your eye off of that. Fresh God said, then Bygrave Phillips to the finals, I got definitely hot. But you don't talk about the next man, the best midfielder and the best baller in the league, Nanko. The Fresh God, I miss out the wicked man, Christian, son. You can't miss out Christian. You can't miss out Christian. You can't miss out Christian. Can't miss out Christian. Peter McGregor would hurt you. If you blink too hard, McGregor bust in it. So, a fire for fire, you know. A fire for fire. Alright, so in regards to goal scorers, above you have Staple. Above you have Staple. Priestley can kick the ball. You know, Priestley, me wonder how Priestley not score no per goal. If your man have such a wicked piece of left foot, no, only not score some more goal. And then kick is accurate too. Only not score more goal. Because I'm not kick you away. He not kick you away. Hard and low. No, how Priestley not score more goal. Me wonder. But anyways, Phil and Lawrence, Trayvon Reed, Kumi, Fodo, Staple. In regards to goal scorers, I think them the man they are goal scorers. Yeah man, Mr. Kumi man, Hamilton, Nicholas Hamilton, I'm a Kumi. I'm a Kumi. Who else? Harden not really, no, it's not really a goal scorer. Not really a goal scorer. But we chip in every now and then with a one goal. But me think Priestley should not score more goal. I think Priestley should not score more goal. Priestley have such a good left foot. He should definitely have score more goal. Now, when I go up on Dunbeholden now, McGregor, Didandre, Bygrave, Demario. Nanko is not really a goal scorer. I'm more of assists. Don't know what he. I don't know. Probably Nanko have a little speak and I use Nanko chat. It's a bossy boy. I think Nanko depend now. No, when I take free kick and corner and it's depend left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. I business in depend now. Tracy Trim can do it. I'm sure people saying can do it. You see me? Left foot, right foot. Oh, you want angling? Angling can kick them, but me not think it. No, you not kick them out for shot, man. You have good long range shot, but you not kick them out for shot. Rudy not kick no shot. You can kick them, but you not kick no shot. You don't know why? I don't know why you not kick no shot. You can kick them, but you not kick no shot. But me I expect a good turnout. Stop Christian. You minimize some of Dunbeholden threat. Dunbeholden have very, very good whole per threat. Dunbeholden have a whole per threat. Chrissy, you did your match. Chrissy, you say good football can play even when I don't did it. Jamaica football said no, everyone know him can do it unless you just start watching him. Nanko just saw him play from how long. Man, Nanko bossy, man. Be honest, man. Nanko bossy, man. Nanko bossy, man. Display put himself on, you know, left and right, you know. Watch it on my phone. Yeah, I tell you, man. So don't watch it entertain. Nice, man. nice football. Look like the new number get back by Grave Farm. Yeah, the number 7. You know something? I know the first card, me see it by Grave and number 7. And the first thing come to mind is this now. And the one drop off. Me I said the one drop off. Me I said, hold on. By Grave one drop off and shirt. I first thing I drop on my head. Me I said, hold on. It's like he drop a gun and the one creep. I swear that coming to my head. Me I said, hold on. I went by Grave change number. Chrissy said, no, me never say good football can't play. Okay. Well, I say bloody. Trevor and Reader go beat them. I know, boy. Jamaica football said, we now witness another game like that. The number 7 fit till him, still, you know. That a by Grave, yeah, man. In fit, man, he can run a fret. But I know by Grave, the fittest man on the pitch. At the Mario. Fittest man, non-stop. Half-time break him turn up a reason. Full-time break him turn up a reason. Extra time break him turn up a reason. Turn up a reason. Yeah. Bargrave go to Vietnam. You know something I hear the commentator them say something about me hear the commentator them say something me no know I think I judge, me not sure which one of them. That says something like that, but me not sure. But people, yo go on, me cut you now. Cut me and cut you now. That's why them call him live wire. Big up coach is Zex. And some top goal scorer me coach me and tell a coach I swear some wicked goal scorer. Wicked goal scorer. But me I go see now. What go see now? Finals are Sunday. People, if we can turn out, me I beg on to turn out. Come support the thing. Nobody deal with it like on the deal with Reggae Boyz them and no business about them. Yeah man, he want jump off of a Bargrave shirt, man. He jump off of a Bargrave shirt. That's what I think. But the new number look like he give him an extra push, you know. The new number told him that Cristiano Ronaldo. Back heel and kind of something there. Let's see, I come a match. Zelana Barnes left Dunbeholden, that's why he in at the 7. Oh, okay. Jamaica football said Dunbeholden FC got this fully blue. What go see? Oh, Daniel Oliver said, okay. Come know me sure me hear one of them said. Something here them said regards to Bargrave and transfer. And that is huge news. Me I tell you, man, once the man them put in the work, man, me I tell you, rate that field player them. Rate that. But guess what, people? Me have to go now. No, say at night. And from day, me I do whole part chatting. But big up, people. Glad for having you guys here again. I think I'm going to do one live. About Friday night. I do one live Friday night for the game. I do one live Friday night. Basically the preview. If I not do it on my Instagram, I'm going to do it on my YouTube. If I not do live on my Instagram, I do it on my YouTube. So jump over the YouTube channel. I'm going to set it probably about tomorrow. I'm going to set it. I'm going to do the live feed. Because we have to discuss it. I don't know anything already. We have to run through that. People, huge respect. Thank you very much for turning out. Really happy to have you guys. Soon again. But big up, people. Friday, people. Friday. Live I go on Friday. Friday, I'll go on.